A lot of people struggle on how to upload video on YouTube the right way. As a new YouTuber, you need to know the right way to upload your video on YouTube so that you will have views. If you upload a video the wrong way on YouTube, it will kill your visibility. So uploading video the right way is a key for YouTube growth. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can upload video the right way on YouTube, things to do, things to turn off, things to turn on when uploading a video so that your visibility will come and YouTube will push your video to a wider audience so that they can see this video. So guys, stick with me to the end of this video. So I will be showing you practical steps how you will able to upload your video the right way, where to upload it and how to upload it. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow with Kevin. On this channel, I teach both new and small creators how to grow fast on YouTube. Everything I post on this channel is my real-time strategy, what I use to grow on YouTube, and the things that I apply and they don't work, I bring to you and tell you so that you won't make this mistake. And the ones that work for me, I still bring them to you so that you will be able to grow fast on YouTube. So guys, if you see this as a vibe, subscribe to this channel so we can grow together. So now let's dive into it. So guys, you just come to your Google Chrome browser, click on the YouTube dashboard. Make sure you choose this first one. We want to continue with Chrome browser. That is if you are just opening for the first time. So now mine have logged me in. I realize that a lot of new content creators, they find it difficult for them to access their YouTube studio through their browser. So you can see for yourself up here. Let me just highlight it again so that you can see it for yourself. You can see up here what it says here, studio.youtube.com. so that is what you definitely need to type, or you type YouTube dashboard. Those are the two things to type, YouTube dashboard or YouTube or studio.youtube.com. so after that it will land you here. Yes, after that it will land you here. So now you can post your video as if you're using your laptop, desktop, whatsoever, because we have automatically access our desktop mode using our smartphone. So guys, it's so very quick and easy to navigate. Click on this create icon here. Then what we need to use here, we'll choose upload video. So we'll go on upload video, and then an interface will show like this. What you just need to do now, if you are using your laptop, you can just drag the file and drop it here. But since we are using smartphone, we just click on this select files. Start uploading. You will see it here uploading, and then you see the file name, you see your description, title. And if you click on this show more, we are going to see more features. So if we scroll down, we will see alter content. What this alter content means is that YouTube is asking you that your content has any of this following: make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. That's you're using AI to like create your video. You see, you're using altered footage or a real event or place, generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. So my video is a tutorial video, is a video I believe most of you're doing your original video, so you definitely click it no. If you are eligible to use a collaborator feature, you can use it. If you don't know how to use it, I have a video on my channel that I show you how to use the collab feature the right way, because if you don't use it the right way, you might not have the visibility you want. And the next one that says here, you need to allow auto, chapter and key moment. So it's either you allow YouTube to create chapters for your video, or you do it manually in the description. This next feature that says future placement, here YouTube will place your video in the various places where they're supposed to be. So it's better. So it's better for you to tick it. And then the next one is allow auto concept. Auto concept here is about it helps viewers learn more about unfamiliar terms without leaving the video. Concept mentioned in your video may automatically appear in the description. It's better for you to leave it ticked so that YouTube will remove some unfamiliar terms. The next one is your tags. Make sure you place your tags according to your video. Place them the right way. And then you move down. When you come down here, video language is on English. Yeah, and then the next one here, license. Make sure to always leave your video as a standard YouTube license. The next one is allow embedding. Allow embedding here people are allowed to use a part of your video to post on their social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and also on their website. The next feature is public to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This one here, it is good for people who have built their community and they have audience that love their content. Yes, but if you are just starting, it is good for you to uncheck it, because you are telling YouTube that you don't have subscribers. They should put your video to the feeds of people who love the content, so YouTube will reach out to more new audience for you. And then the next feature is short remixing. Always allow people to remix your audio and video. With this feature, people can use 15 seconds of your video to publish on their own social media handles. Yes. And then the next is make sure your category is always the right one depending on your niche. Under comments and rating, make sure your comments is on. Here, this affects some channels, because if this is turned on, people don't have that access to comment under your video what they think about the video. They don't have the access, so make sure it is always on. And under this who can comment, make sure to leave it on everybody. It should not be only on your subscribers and members, because if only on your subscribers and members, a new viewer will come. If the person has not subscribed, the person cannot message, cannot comment. So it is always good to leave it on anyone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.